Hi, this is Carolyn with Carolina Crafting, and today I thought I would show you why I like the Stampin' Up! Kits so much. Here I have the Road to Christmas kit, which you can make 8 Christmas cards out of, and so this is perfect for me because I don't have a lot of time to finish up my Christmas cards, and everything I need to make 8 cards is in this kit. So kits are good for new crafters. You don't have to buy a lot of products. You just buy the one kit, and everything you have to complete your project or your cards is in this one box. It's good for busy crafters because you can sit down and complete these projects in a short amount of time. And like I said, each kit has everything you need, from adhesive to pre-cut pieces you would need. So let's go ahead and open this box and see what all's in it. Your kit will come with everything wrapped in cellophane, so it'll all be together. Let me open this up for us. Okay. So first of all, on the back of your supplies is on one side of the cardboard, and on the other side is this piece of paper, which has all of your instructions and pictures to go along with it, as you see here. And then you've got some sticky strip tape or tearing tape. You've got some Stampin' Dimensionals. You've got 8 envelopes for your cards you're going to make. And then you've got all the cardstock and pieces you need to put them together, including here's your sentiments and words for your cards. And then, of course, your card bases. And then all your little cutout pieces you'll need. So I'm going to do a little work preparing my pieces and getting things cut out, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with all the parts and pieces ready to go to make my cards. I just want to point out it took me maybe 2 to 3 minutes to punch out all of my die cuts and fold and score or fold my card bases, and I used my bone folder to get a nice crisp fold on there. And now I'm ready to go. And if you look at the directions for card 1, it shows you all the pieces you need for that, including your tearing tape and your dimensionals. Same thing for card 2. And then it goes on down to show you just how to make it. It shows you putting your tearing tape on the back side of your front piece here, and shows you about putting dimensionals on your truck to pop it up on the card, and your sentiment and so forth. So I'm going to make one of each to show you how quick and easy it is. Since I have some glue on hand, I'm going to use it. It'll make my process go a little bit quicker. But like I said, if you don't have extra supplies on hand, the kit has everything you would need in it. So let's go ahead and make the first card. I'm just going to grab one of each of everything I need. Then we'll put the others aside. Okay, so I've got my card base already folded. I'm going to add my front scene on here. Okay, and then you'll kind of see here, there's a little slit in the truck where the presents just kind of slide in there perfectly. So for that, I think I will use a piece of the tearing tape just to secure it in place. And then I'll use my dimensionals to pop it up on the front of the card. That'll just make sure those presents stay right there where I put them. And then on the truck and on our sentiment, we'll put some Stampin' Dimensionals. Oops, I'm gonna come off. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna position things kind of where I want them before I stick them down. And that looks, let me see. Go down a little further. I see more of my trees in the fence there. Yeah, okay, just like that. Okay, there's one card all made and ready to go. Now let's get our card pieces for our second card and make it. Okay, and this one's going to be horizontal direction instead of vertical, so we'll start laying our pieces out for it. Then I'm just going to glue down the scenery to the front. Okay, and again, this is perfectly got the little slit so you can put your tree in the back of the truck. Now on the picture, it shows the presents and a tree, and I do have another set of punch outs where I could put presents in there if I want, but I think I just like the tree in there. So you can always deviate from what the card or the sample show you and make it just like you would want it. So that's what I'm going to do with this one. Just going to put a piece of tearing tape across to secure the tree in the truck. You can see you've got that there. And then we'll put our dimensionals on. Okay. Oops, I missed that last one. There we go. Okay. Now I'm just going to set it on here where we want it. About right there. Then we'll put some dimensionals on the greeting or the sentiment here. And it goes right up here in the corner. And then your little doggy sits right down here. So what I'm going to do is just use one of the dimensionals towards the bottom of his body. And the top will lay up against the truck, so you don't really need a dimensional there. I'll just put a little bit of glue there. All right. Perfect. So that took no time at all. I've got 2 more cards made I can send out. And then I'll sit here, and in the next 5 or 6 minutes, I'll make the other 6. Then I'll have 8 total cards made, probably in 10 to 15 minutes. It's so simple and easy. Like I said, everything comes in the kit that you would need. And they just make really pretty cards. And if you're just looking for something quick and simple, and then you'll have some cards on hand to send out when you want, I would suggest getting some of the card kits. And I believe they come as inexpensive as $14 and up. So you can kind of look around, see what fits your needs and your price range, and go from there. So I hope this was helpful in showing you what a kit comes with and how quick and easy you can make cards with. If you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you for watching.